There we will see different print options which are available. So the first print command is that we are going to write any string with the help of the print command. So print we can write only for example hi, and what will happen, we are going to, if we are going to compile, we are going to see output as hi. Now if you want to write but on the multiple line, you want to write something hi, my, and again print, and within the quotation where, for example. So I want to print multiple times. I'm going to write the print command three times in order to get the output high, by, and where on the three different lines. Instead of typing redundantly three times print command. So this is only three times I want to print something. Suppose I want to type something 100 times. So at that time, tapping the print command redundantly 100 times is going to waste your time and energy. So instead of that, what I can do, I can write a single print command. Within that, I can add all your strings that I want to display. For example, hi. And on the next line, for the next line, what I will do, I'm going to use slash and n. Slash n, that means the cursor is going to bring on the next line, and whatever I'm going to write after slash n will be displayed on the next line. Then again from after by, I want to the where to be printed on the next line, so I can write slash, and after that I can write where. Let us check the output. So here again hi by where. Then hi by where. These are the output because of the this first three print statement. Then we are having hi and hi. This is the output of this print statement, and after that I gave some space. So this because of that after the slash and I gave some space here. So this slash n means that the cursor is going to bring on the next line here. And because of the some space which is present before the word by, we are going to see this kind of spacing here. And then we are having slash n. So because of this slash n, the cursor will be cursor is present at the next line. And then here I am not given any space between slash and then where. That's why there is no space in the beginning before writing the word where. Now suppose I want to write in the format that where I want to leave some fixed spacing uh, between two words. So for example, hi, then hi will be displayed, and after that I want the next word to be displayed on the next line. For that I'm going to write slash n. I want fixed spacing, and then I'm going to display the next word. For example, for displaying, for leaving some space, for example, spaces, a bunch of five spaces going to be displayed or created by using slash t. And after that is the use of slash t, I can write by. Then again, the cursor should bring to the next line. For the next line, I'm writing slash n. And then because of the slash t, again some particular space or spaces, five spaces going to be created before writing the next word. For example, the next word is when. So now we will combine and check what is going to happen. Now this is the high by right where because of this first print statement, this first these three words can be printed by using a single line. So that's why we are having high, and then by के पहले we are getting this kind of space because of this space is left before by by. Then we are having print statement high, because of that we are getting high. Now here you can see after writing high, then we are having slash in. Because of this slash in, the cursor is brought here on the next line, and because of this slash t, some fixed space is left before writing the word by. So that's why we are having some space left before by. Then we are having slash n. Because of this slash n, the cursor is brought here on the next line here, and then we are having slash t. Because of that, we get this kind of output. Now the second way of now another way of using the print statement is displaying the value of variable. For example, now I'm going to create some variable a. A is equal to 2. I want to check the value of this variable a. Okay, but if you are going to write again a here, which is the case when you're going to write the variable name. For example, a is equal to 2 here, and I'm going to write a directly here, so the value will be printed. That is in the case of the console. So because of that, here we can see the variable a is created of the data type integer, which was supplied internally by the Python, and the value which we have given is 2. But that is not the case when we are going to write a program inside the text editor area. So for that, if you want to print the value of this variable, which is stored in the variable a, which is present in computer's memory. So when we are writing program, so at that time, the value a cannot be printed directly. For that, we have to request Python. How we can request Python to display the value of any variable is by using the print command. So print, again this will come, and which value, the value of the name we have to write within the basic, we have to write the value of the variable whose value I want to print. So I want to print the value of a, so I have to write a inside the bracket. Now we will compare and check the output, so you will get the value as 2. Now this value, whose values it is, that we don't know. So what I can write, we can write a, we can say a user-friendly print statement. So what I can write within the quotation, so I can write this is, I can write this, I can help the, I can write the user-friendly statement that this is the value of, or I can write a value of a, value of a, value of a is, then I want the value of a. So what I can write, value of a is, I want the value of a to be displayed. So I'm going to write a here. So that will check what will be the output. So this is the output that we are going to get. Value of a is only a because this a is written within the quotation. So when, what is the difference between writing the print statement and writing the name of the variable without the quotation mark, and writing the print statement and using the name of the variable within the quotation mark, is that whenever we are going to write print statement and only the name of the variable without the quotation mark, at that time is going to display the value of that variable. But when we are going to write anything within the quotation, here you can make out what you, the different thing is, whatever is printed in orange color, that means they are the keyword, they cannot be used for writing the variable name. Whatever is declared in green color are the string. So here all, everything which is displayed in green color are the strings. So here the value of a variable a is a, I have written within the quotation mark, that will be considered as a string, and the same thing will be printed without displaying the value of that variable. So what I want the value of a to be displayed, which is 2. So for that, what I'm going to do, we are going to tell the print statement now. We are going to tell him, we have to explain him that along with this string, which is written in green mark, green color, we are going to write plus sign, that now you print the value a. So let me check what kind of output we are going to get. Here we are going to get one kind of error message, because the plus sign is used to add this. This is your string, whatever is written is within the quotation green color is a string. Adding means we are going to add add anything which is of same data type. We are going to add second thing which is of the same data type, but here a is declared in a white color, and whatever is declared in white color here, the variable name, so that indicates that is, it is a variable. And what kind of variable it is? It is an integer variable. The print statement cannot print two different data types together. For that, your variable integer a, which is having data type as integer, has to be forcefully converted into string. So how we going to forcefully convert that into string? By writing the str command. So str function, then we have to put braces because this is a function, and so str a. So now this variable a is converted into the string, which is now become a string. This string will be added with this string, and we will get the output. Now we'll check the output. What kind of output we are going to get? We are going to get value of a is 2 now. Okay, now we'll check with some other variable. B is equal to, for example, 3.4. Now I want to print the value of b. So print, then value of b is, now this is your string. Now what I want to display something additional to this. So we want to add something. For add, we are going to write plus sign, I want to display the value of B, but B here it is in a white color. It is not a string. We have to convert this B into string. So for converting this B into string, we have to use a function whose name is str. So what is the syntax of str? Str we have to write, and then within the quotation we have to mention the variable which we want to change into string. So within this within this braces, we have wrote the name of the variable which we want to convert, and then we have to count the number of opening braces which are present here. Two opening braces are here, so there has to be two closing braces. Otherwise, it will generate some error message. Now we will compile the program, check the output. The value of A is 2, that is already there. Now value of B is 3.4. Here some space is not given, so what I can do, we can leave some space, or I can write colon, or I can use slash t for giving spaces. Okay, now we'll compile and check the output. Now this is, we can say, a well formatted output for displaying the value of variable b. So this is how I can work. You can also play with the print statement.